Today we're gonna be making a delicious high protein treat with the new Dutch apple pie whey. All right, what we're gonna need for this recipe today is gonna be granola, apples, yogurt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and if you're feeling spicy, you're gonna need some whipped cream and spearmint. But most importantly, you're gonna need the Dutch apple pie whey from Titan. All right, your first step is to slice up your apples. I prefer to chop them instead of slice, but it's up to you. Once you chop these up, you're just gonna add them to your slow cooker. Add 6 packets of whatever artificial sweetener you prefer. I'm using Whole Earth Sweetener Co. All right, the seasonings that I love to add to this are going to be salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a little bit of flour. You're gonna let this sit for about an hour, and then you're gonna check if the apples are soft. If they're not, go ahead and let it sit for another 15 minutes. All right, while our slow cooker is going, we're gonna go ahead and add in our yogurt and our protein powder. I typically use 1 cup of yogurt to 1 scoop of protein powder. So if you wanna do half a scoop of yogurt, do half a scoop of protein powder. All right, once we're done mixing our yogurt and our protein, we can begin assembling our treats. For this recipe, I did end up using Nature Valley protein granola, and I did the macros according to this, but feel free to use whatever granola you want. In order to assemble our treat, we're going to layer granola, apple, yogurt, and repeat that process. Once we have it assembled, if you're feeling a little spicy, you can add some whipped cream and a spearmint to the top. Cheers.